Hi guys, in this video we will discuss how to draw an arc by using different methods. Watch the introductory video how to reach there in sketch module. So let's begin. Well, arc tool is available in sketch tab, sketching panel and arc. So there are 5 methods of drawing an arc. Let's start with the first method, that is 3-point, tangent and first select the starting point of an arc from left mouse button. Second, select the end point of an arc from left mouse button. Finally, select the point from where the arc will pass. Press scroll wheel to end the command. This is center point of an arc and these are end points of an arc length. This is arc radius and these are dimensions between the given vertices of an arc. Let's begin with the second method, that is center and ends. First, select the center point of an arc. Now move the cursor away from center point and select starting point of an arc on imaginary circle. Then move the cursor on that imaginary circle and select end point of an arc. Press scroll wheel to end the command. This is center point of an arc and these are end points of an arc length. This is arc diameter and these are dimensions between the given vertices. Now let's begin with the third method, that is 3 tangent. To draw an arc using this method, there should be 3 tangent entities. Let's draw an arbitrary rectangle for this purpose from Sketch tab, Sketching panel and Rectangle. Now unshade the region from Sketch tab, Inspect panel and Shade close loops. Now select the arc command and specify top, right and bottom sides of rectangle as tangent entities. So this is arc having center point and 3 tangent entities at 3 points as well. Let's begin with the fourth method, that is concentric. For this case, we have to draw an arbitrary arc for reference. Now select this arc center or arc length to draw concentric arc. Rest of the method is same as discussed in center and ends. Here you can draw multiple concentric arcs having same center and different parameters like diameter, endpoints, and center point of various arcs. Now let's move toward the fifth method, that is conic. Well, conic is a curve having no radius profile dependent on some parameters. First, specify the base of curve by selecting 2 points in horizontal. Then select the point from where conic curve will pass through. Let's put it there. Press scroll wheel to end the command. So this is conic arc having a base, conic constant, and two angles at the beginning and end of curve. Let's put conic arc base of 10 units and both angles of 60 degrees at the beginning and end of curve. Now change and try different values of conic constant. Let's put zero point 0.7 to understand behavior of the curve. You see the curve is most steep and sharp at the top. While conic range is 0.01 to 0.95. Now put conic constant of 0.9 value. The curve is most steep. Now put zero point 0.1. The curve will further widen. So this was fifth method, that is conic arc. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more informative videos.